Okay, well, we got it to start. That's good. All right, let me shut it off. Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm gonna show you how to change your battery in a 2010 Chevy Equinox. We've got a pretty weak battery here, and so the owners decided to change this out. We went ahead and did a battery test, and it says that it's got about a 40% state of health, and they're definitely looking to get this replaced. Also looks like we've got some corrosion on the negative terminal, so we'll clean that up as well. Now the battery is actually located under here. This is a plastic cover, and then we have a few modules underneath there that we need to unbolt and move out of the way to get to that battery. Now in order to pull this off, there's a little plastic tab. Just push that down and slide this over, and we can set this out of the way. Now there's 3 bolts that hold this on, and one is covered by this plastic trim piece, so we need to take off these little 3 snaps in order to access this bolt. And then we have another bolt over here, and then a nut on a stud on this side. I'm just going to use one of these little trim remover tools and pop these snaps out. We'll set those out of the way. Now this has another snap up above, but all we need is just to pick it up like this and fold it back. You see it's got a little hinge right there, and that exposes this bolt that we need to take out. There's the first one, and then this one over here. And then on the back is a nut. Now you'll notice right here, this socket holds the nut on so you don't end up dropping it. This is Koken, it's their nut grip. It's got little ball bearings in here that retain the hardware. It retains a nut or a bolt so that it doesn't fall out. Kind of helpful when you're working with little stuff like this so you don't end up dropping it. Now we can take off this module or this cover here. Just carefully lift that up, and we'll just set it right over here. And now we have access to the battery. All right, we're gonna take off this negative terminal first. Just loosen this little part right here, and then it should just wiggle off. There we go. That was definitely stuck on there good. All right, now for the positive side, let's just loosen this clamp. There we go. All right, and then let's just pull the old battery out. Now, before I put the new battery in, I'm going to clean up these terminals. I've just got this little wire brush. Get this all cleaned up. All right, let's put in the new battery. Put the positive cable on first. And I'm going to cover that up. All right, just pushing that rubber cover back on. And now we can put the negative back on. And then we'll just pull this rubber cover back over that terminal. Make sure that stays nice and protected. And then we can grab this module or cover and put this back on. Just line up the stud in the back, and it just drops right into place. And I'm going to start with the nut in the back. All right, and then we'll put this one here in the front. And then the last one over here on the side. Put that in and get it started. All right, and then we can put this cover back down. It's got a little tab right here that snaps in place. And then we can put all of these little snaps in. Just press them in, and then press the center part. And then the last thing is this cover right here. Just all you do is just press down right about here, and then slide it over until it clicks, and you're done. All right, well, started up great, nice and strong, and no problems at all. No warning lights or check engine lights or anything like that. Quick and easy job, definitely something you can do yourself with just a few simple hand tools. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. I'll get a link in the description to some of the parts and tools used in the video as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.